Okay, so hello everyone. I have a problem with this vehicle, particularly my AC. I just lost all my refrigerant. Already checked it for leaks. No leaks here, no leaks here. The lines, the condenser, okay. And I really suspect that it is the AC compressor that is leaking. Primarily compressor shaft seal. I don't want to pull this out just yet, okay. I want to verify that really it's leaking, so I'm going to remove the clutch plate first, okay? And let's see if we can have access to the compressor shaft seal and spray it there, okay? And let's see if we see leaks. That way our efforts won't be in vain, we would be certain, okay? So we can remove this easily enough. Just one nut here, 14 millimeter, okay? And with this pry bar, this is going to rotate freely, by the way, okay? So that is what this pry bar is for, so that we can keep the clutch plate from turning, okay? Just like that. I hope you can see that. Okay. Pulling that out. Okay, and then okay. Sorry about that. Okay, so there's our clutch plate. This is important, okay, meant to put a gap or clearance to the clutch plate. So one telltale sign if there's a leak is if you can see oil or oil smudge around the part that you suspect of leaking. In this case, we can see there is none. So, but we'll still check, okay? So I'm gonna clean that with a brush, just so we can have a much more better visual. So I have now pressurized the system, okay? It's close to or more or less 100 psi. I'm just using compressed air, by the way, okay? So I see no visible leaks, okay? So confirmed. So at least now I'm sure that the AC compressor is not leaking. The lines are all okay. The valves, okay. Condenser is okay. Which leaves us with either the front evaporator or the rear evaporator, okay, located somewhere here. We need to take this panel off in order to have access to that. But my best guess is it's the front evaporator that is leaking, because when I was driving this, one telltale sign is you would be able to somewhat smell the refrigerant, okay. It's got a distinct smell. And the difficult part with checking for leaks on the evaporator is that you cannot do so with a soapy water, or more or less just the same with the rear evaporator. But this is why we conduct a process of elimination, like I've said earlier, okay? Check everything, lines, valves, okay? The AC lines, both the access ports, okay? Valves, Schrader valves are not leaking. The condenser is not leaking, like I've said. One telltale sign is that you would see oil, okay, somewhere around the leak. In this case, we see none of that, which leaves us with, like I've said, either the front evaporator or the rear evaporator. But we still are going to make sure, just so we won't waste money, okay? I don't like wasting money. So anyway, I do believe that's it. I just wanted to share this with you, okay? I hope you found this helpful and informative. If you do, let me know in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe if you want to, only if you want to. And I'll show you a different video on how to check the leak on the evaporator, okay?